Hi guys, my name is Perry. I'm here at Jess Ford Pullman. Today I'm going to show you guys where the jack locations are on the older 2014 and older F-150s and the newer F-150s. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is get to your back seats. On these F-150s, some of them have a subwoofer right underneath, but you want to lift up both seats and then you'll find a little cubby as well as two little turn knobs. I'll show you what they look like. These little turn knobs, you want to turn them out a little bit to the point where they release the jack. So once they're out, put them off to the side, and then you can reach in and pull this little box out. It's going to be a little difficult, but you can get it out. There we go. And inside this is going to be your toolkit as well as your jack. So there's little clips on both sides. Release them, and then there is your jack as well as your tire iron. The process of putting these back in is you want to finagle it back into the spot. So I usually put it upside down and then it kind of lays flat. You want to line it up to these little metal circles. So the bolts, when you tighten them, it will tighten down onto that plate and hold it in place so it doesn't rattle. And then the next step, once it's in place, you can put this back in here and then you're good to go. For F-150s 2015 and newer, your jack is going to be easily accessible through the back seats. What you want to do is you want to come to the passenger side rear seat, and there's a little loop on the side of the seat. You want to pull it forward, and then right behind that seat is going to be your jack. With your jack being back here, there's just one little screw holding in your jack, as well as you're going to also have your fuel fill nozzle in it. So if you ever run out of gas and you have to use a gas can, you want to stick this in your gas cap first, and then you can fuel up. But all you have to do back here is twist it until it lets go, and you can pull out your jack. Excessively long. Go on, there you go. And then you can take out your jack and toolkit. So your toolkit and your tire iron are going to be located in this bag. And there is one portion, an extension arm, and then you should have another extension, and then you have your tire iron.
Breaking news from the dealership lawn. Perry, while attempting to assemble the extension arms to remove the spare tire, encountered an unexpected obstacle. Confused and concerned, he interrupted salesman Andrew Seaman, who was deep in a high-stakes sales call, to investigate the situation. After confirming the mystery with the powers of Google, Perry learned that, yes, these extension arms are standard issue. The investigation continues as we learn more.
So here at the back of the F-150, to drop your rear tire, which is underneath the truck, you would go to this port right here. Sometimes there is a lock on here, which you would take your key from your key fob to unlock that lock. And once it's open, you want to stick two of these together, and then you want to put it in here and to the point where it grabs. Once it grabs, you want to put the tire iron on the other end of it and then turn it counterclockwise, and that will release that tire down. And then you will have access to your spare tire. You want to make sure you put the jack on the frame of the vehicle, not on any other component where it could break or cause the jack to slip and fall down. All right, guys, If there's any other vehicle you guys would like to see where the jack locations are, please let us know. Just keep in mind there are vehicles out there that don't have a jack, they have a tire inflation system instead. But again, my name is Perry Singh. I'm here at Jess Ford Pullman. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Get into your backs. And then since you release those two little screws, it'll release this jack that's right underneath if it releases. Okay, maybe not. Looks easier on the video. It's a beach whale. You want me to do that again? Thank you for watching.